Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope everyone is fine. So I need to tell about where I am and where we are. We are in All Friends, come to Dover for fishing. And we have different kinds of people here. Last year we was only from Bangladesh. This year we have different countries people. So I'm gonna show you some scenery from the background. So we are going fishing. First of all, I want to ask my friend Mr. Shaun Khan. How are you?
Very excited.
You very exciting. Why are you exciting? Yes, you want to catch lots of fish? Okay, what kinds of fish you want to catch? Wow, big seabirds. Well done. Hopefully you're gonna get lots of fish today because whole month was raining and the rough weather. So today only, starting from the summer, I think. Okay, thank you very much. So I'm gonna go to my another friend who is joining with us. Hello, my friend. How are you? Good. What's your name?
James.
Hello, James. James Bond. Yeah, James Bond. 007. James Bond. So James Bond with us. Where are you from, sir? London. He is from London. James Bond. He was on the movie. Today he come to fishing. James Bond, how are you feeling today? Good.
Sun's out.
Sun's out.
Wait for brew. Bye.
Yeah. So hopefully you're gonna get lots of fish today.
We should get here.
Yeah. What kinds of fish you want to catch today?
I'm going for some bass and some mackerel.
Mackerel and bass. Last year, one times we get 7-8 fish. One times.
That's mackerel.
Mackerel one, yeah. I like it.
The suicide fish. They
Yeah.
go in skulls.
And come on times. Nice to meet you, James. James Bond. So we're not gonna forget your names. Thank you, James. Hello, my friend. How are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Scotland.
You from Scotland. Very good. We meet another, my friend. We are lucky to meet you.
Thank you.
What do you think today?
I hope so to catch a lot of big bass.
Yes?
At least one big one.
Yeah, big one.
Yeah, and some mackerel.
Hopefully you're gonna get lots of fish and bass and the mackerel as well. What's your name?
Ronnie.
Ronnie boy. We meet Ronnie boy from Scotland. You are looking young today with the sunglasses. Me too. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Ronnie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We're gonna get lots of fish together.
Definitely.
One of my friends, he is busy now. We're gonna come to him later on, okay? He's busy at the moment. I'm gonna come to my friend. Hello, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, you look very young today.
Always young.
Always young, always young. Last year, my friend got very big sea bass. We are proud of him.
Big one, yeah, yesterday.
Big one.
This year, inshallah, hopefully we got as well.
You got as well. So, this year you think you're gonna get lots of fish?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
Exciting as well.
More than last year.
More than last
Yeah.
year.
Do you expect any other fish?
Some seabirds, mackerel, and something else. I think cod.
Cod?
Yeah.
I love cod. Yeah. Do you want to say anything about today's weather and last month weather and holy month?
Really lucky this year because today's weather is very good.
Yes.
And last couple of months, weather was very rainy. But
Yeah.
luckily today, weather is shiny.
Absolutely right.
Sea look quite normal.
Yeah.
I think hopefully we will do very good.
Very good today. Yes, yes, yes. What the ship is it? Do you
Ferry.
ferry? Wow, the biggest ferry from the Dover one.
That is a Disney cruise ship.
Yeah. Wow.
This is a district cruise ship.
Wow. Very big, very big. I want to show my friends some other scenery. Actually, other side is France. This is England. Assalamu alaikum, Tanvir bhai. Why are you so quiet today? Actually, you are exciting about the fishing. Actually, Tanvir bhai is not feeling well to talk about fishing because he's excited to get the fish. Okay, our main person who every year who made this situation, who made this party, and our honorable Kibriya Bhai. Kibriya Bhai, assalamu alaikum. First of all, we want to give you huge thanks to bring this Dover to catch lots of fish today. Bhai, I want to know something about your experience about fishing, about the weather, and about the last month weather. And even yesterday was very bad weather. Alhamdulillah. And yes. And I want to tell my friend, every year he got more fish than anyone. That is absolutely right. Inshallah. Do you think we're gonna get lots of fish than last year? Probably. Inshallah, inshallah. Very good, bhai. Inshallah, you're gonna get lots of fish. And this year we have our friend. He come first time to catching fish. Mohibul bhai. Yeah, he's more exciting than anyone. Mohibul bhai.
Enjoy, bye.
Enjoy.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Have a nice day. He actually he can't say anything. He's so exciting. All fishing rod is here. Shah Aziz Bhai, our honorable person, Shah Aziz Bhai. He's a handsome man, and he's really very good person, from my opinion. Always he try to give us company. And by every year asking lots of questions. This year I want to say the same things. Okay, bye. Actually, luckily, we didn't know that you were coming, but you come to us. That's why we are happy to see you. What's your feelings today, bhai? Alhamdulillah. Yes. Together, that's right. That's good, that's good. Very good, bhai, very good. Do you think you're gonna get lots of fish than last year? The weather look like we're gonna get lots of fish. Yeah, proper summer is starting today. Yeah, it was very cold weather. And yesterday before was thunderstorm as well. Really, we are so lucky to get this weather today. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Some of my friends, thank you, bhai, thank you very much. Yes. So all my friends are ready now. Yeah, I'm going to my friend who was busy to make his rod. Hello, friend. How are you? Nice to meet you. What's your name? Stuart. Hello, Stuart. Last year we was only Bangladeshi people. This year we have different kinds of people. Nice to meet you, Stuart. Did you catch fish before? Did you come before?
Oh, yeah, many times.
Many times.
Because of COVID, I haven't been 2 or 3 years.
Okay, that's very good. We have a lots of experience with this. Got experienced people working experience. We get lots of experience as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. What fish do you catch last time?
A mixture, really. Pollock,
Yeah.
mackerel,
Mackerel,
bass,
bass,
cod.
cod. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I want a cod.
Last year we came here. We get lots of mackerel, but we get only very big sea bass. My friend catch it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Stuart. Nice to meet you. Hopefully you're gonna catch fish together.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah. Inshallah. Thank you. Inshallah. And our crew member are working. They're inside. They're so busy now. So we're gonna introduce them later on. এটার ভাই আমি তো কিছু কইতাছি না, সবারই দেখতেছে।
আমি যে বাইতে পারি না।
ভাইজান আমি তো কিছু কইতাছি না, ধরেন না না শেষ না আমি তো কিছু কইলাম না সবাই
Okay, now come back to camera on my hand, and I'm gonna discuss about today about our journey. So, is in front of me, Mr. Oli Akon. He's a man entertain boy, and yeah, Akon boy. Yeah, Akon. He's a lovely boy. He's really great. He's a very nice person, and he gives us always like very entertainment. And today we're gonna ask you something about the Oli expectation and Oli thinking and Oli mind. What do you think, Oli, today? What are you gonna do today?
We have planned before 2 months, and our TPMI and we make sure that this plan to come this day.
Yeah.
But we are very worried about the weather because last month, whole month was raining,
Yeah.
whole month was the rough weather.
Okay.
So thanks Allah, thanks for give us today is the nice weather.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. And I believe we're gonna get lots of fish than last year.
Inshallah.
Last year we caught lots of fish as well.
Yeah. What do you feel today?
Yeah, we're feeling the weather-wise, we're
Yeah.
gonna get lots of fish.
Okay, that's good.
And really, we are happy to meet our different countries people.
Yeah.
And last year I was missing as well. You didn't come last year.
Yeah. I know.
Year before you came.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I remember.
We are very excited, so happy today.
Inshallah.
And, really, I can't.
Explain. What do you say?
So exciting, so I can't explain anything.
No problem. Enjoy your day. Inshallah, we'll get there. We're gonna have a lovely day. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Aziz bhai. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Oli Akon. Okay. So we're gonna finish now here. We're gonna come back
Yeah,
later on.
inshallah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.